In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enforce two-step verification for all users on your Dropbox business account. As an admin, implementing two-factor authentication, sometimes abbreviated as 2FA, is an essential step in ensuring your team's security when accessing their Dropbox files. Let's dive into the process so you can get this set up smoothly. First, you're going to need to log into your Dropbox business account using your admin credentials. Head over to Dropbox.com and sign in just as you normally would. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll want to look at the left sidebar and click on the Admin Console. This is where you have control over all the administrative settings in Dropbox. With the Admin Console open, the next stop is the Security settings. To get there, click on Settings, then navigate to the Security tab. Alternatively, you might locate this under the Authentication settings, where you should see a section dedicated to two-factor authentication. This is where you'll be making the necessary changes to your team's login procedures. Currently, you may have the two-step verification setting set to optional, meaning it's up to each individual user whether they want to activate an extra layer of security or not. Our goal here is to change that to required. This will mandate that all your team members use two-factor authentication. So, go ahead and switch that setting from optional to required. After making this change, be sure to click Save to ensure everything is applied correctly. Now, it's crucial to communicate these changes to your team. When you require two-factor authentication, every existing user will have to set it up the next time they attempt to log in. As for new users who are invited to join after you've enforced this rule, they'll be prompted to enable two-factor authentication during their account setup. It's a good idea to inform them about the process they'll be going through, which involves choosing between using text messages or an authenticator app, confirming their codes, and saving emergency backup codes for future use. Of course, there might be instances where team members lose access to their phone or authenticator app. If this happens, you can reset their two-factor authentication. Simply go back into the Admin Console, click on Members, then click on the Gear or Options menu next to the member's name who needs assistance. From there, you'll find the option to reset their two-factor authentication, allowing them to set it up afresh. By following these steps, you'll be reinforcing the security of your Dropbox business account without disrupting your team's workflow. Thank you for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more tips on managing your digital workspace efficiently and securely.